Okay, we're gonna talk about angles. This is geometry view, but I don't think this is review. I think this might be the first time you guys learn this. Okay? So, for the unit circle, you are going to be looking at things going around in circles, yes? Like this. You don't need to know the unit circle yet, but you do have to understand rotations, yes? So, if we start at, we're always gonna start at our starting point, which is 0 degrees. So this is our start point. Okay, where are we ending? If we go around 1, 2 times. This is 2 rotations. How many degrees is that? Snowboarding.
720.
720, that's very good. So this is our 720 degrees, okay? We can kind of figure this out, yes? If we do 1 rotation, that we start here and we go all the way around to here. Notice how I'm not making a full circle, I'm scooting it over so that you can really see that it's a full rotation. How many degrees is this one?
360.
That's right. Okay. Oh, every single time I keep making that mistake. Okay. Since high school. Okay. 720 and 360 are coterminals. And 360 are coterminal angles. Terminal. What does terminal mean? Most of you travel, so this is going to be harder.
Yes. Different parts?
Like a terminal. Coterminal means ending place.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Ending terminal. If you have a terminal illness, it is an ending illness.
I was about to say that.
That's
Terminal is an illness.
Which?
I was about to say terminal is illness.
Yeah, terminal illness. Koichiro, what does terminal illness mean, since you look so joyful in my class?
Endless.
Endless.
What?
Bro.
Together. Terminal is ending.
Yeah.
Okay, so they end at the same place. Okay, coterminal means they end at the same place. What are other coterminal angles for 720 and 360? Give me 2 more.
1,440.
Hmm?
1,440. Yes. This equals 4.
So 360 plus this one,
Oh.
1080.
It's 1080.
1080. Okay, so also 1080 coterminal and 0 degrees is also.
Oh yeah, it's such
Yep,
a-
0 is 0. That's not so bad. This is not an adding class. This is not an adding thing. Okay, the second one. So this is our big task is to find coterminal angles. They're going to ask you that. We find them by adding or subtracting what number? So to find 720, 1080, and 0, what are we adding or subtracting to each of those?
360.
That's right. So finding by adding or subtracting 360. That's your task. So that's the math strategy for that one. The second task we are learning today is we are learning something called reference angles, and this is immediately relevant to the unit circle kids. So if we are we start here, we might go here, and I say that this is 30 degrees, okay? Reference angles. They are used for SOHCAHTOA, used in trigonometry. SOHCAHTOA. Okay? We put them in standard form to find a reference form. The reference angle here is going to be 30 if the real, oh, I got this backwards again, 150 degrees. So you might get that this is 150, yes? Our reference angle is going to be 30. How do I put this into forms that the children will understand? Show me that thing.
Oh, what's just like that?
Oh, okay, good. What a massive relief for me. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna put up an example. Forget that I did this.
What?
Forget that I did that.
I copy it out.
Who said that?
Lucas.
Lucas? Well, good job for copying it. It's going away now. Hey, give me that back. I need
Nah.
it. Here.
I thought that's Lucas.
I don't.
Okay.
Do I continue writing the reference angle?
I don't know. Usually I want you guys writing notes after I'm done writing notes because I do mess up. We're not all invincible. What am I reading? Okay, so the type of problem would be like find the reference angle. That's on the video. Stop mumbling. Okay.
That's all the video. You see my
Here we go. Now we're in business. Hello. Is that degrees?
No.
That's radians.
Yes.
Somebody find me the degrees of that. Stack. We're gonna go to the thing.
Whoa. I heard that.
Okay. This pi equals
Negative 14.
Negative. I'm sorry. 14.
No, 140.
Okay, so it's negative 140 degrees.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So when we do a negative degrees, we're traveling
Backward.
backwards. Yes? We know that? Who knew that because they learned it in school? Okay, good. So if we're doing this one, backwards, that's 90. And then how much to 140?
50.
How is it negative 140 degrees?
50.
Negative 140, right?
180 divided by 9 times 7.
You okay?
Uh,
Yeah, okay? Okay. So negative 140 looks like this. So that's if we draw it out, right? Our reference angle is going to be from the x-axis to that angle. So this is our reference angle, okay? It's kind of hard to describe. The reference angle is not all the way around, okay? The reference angle is from that angle to the x-axis, okay? From the terminal side, terminal meaning ending, so this is the terminal side. And this is our starting side. From the terminal to the x-axis is our reference angle. Correct, Genta? Am I correct on that?
Yes.
So if we're finding the value of theta, you're gonna have to eyeball this one, okay? We have certain angles that we know. We know this is 90 degrees, we know this is 180 degrees, or pi. We know this is 270, and we know this is can be 360 or 0 degrees, yes? So what is this value if we know that this is 180 and this is 140?
Negative 40.
What?
Isn't it?
You're not wrong, but I need you to,
Oh, explain.
the question was how?
I don't know how.
180 minus 140.
Yeah.
Wait, 180 minus, so it was 180 minus 140. Now, Genta had a great question, which is, can I do this in radians? You can do this in radians. You don't have to do it in degrees. You can also convert it to degrees and do it because you guys will be doing degrees for a while before you do radians. So if we're doing degrees, that means our theta is 40 degrees. 40 degrees in radians,
It's something.
2 pi over 9.
Thank you for that, Kenta, but I also couldn't hear it because I'm deaf. Say it one more time.
2 pi over 2 pi over 9. Let's grab.
Yeah, okay. So then, we're gonna focus today on finding reference angles and coterminal angles. And I believe that's it, right? Yarp. Yes? So, you can also, as a last point up here, you can find a negative coterminal angle. Also, coterminal is negative 360. That just means this way is negative. That's a negative direction. Usually they'll want a positive coterminal, but you also are learning how to be flexible. Yes? Okay. Okay, so I will be putting some worksheets up because we did not